A low-carb Reuben casserole. What is this sorcery? We're gonna make a Reuben today, and we're gonna do it without the bread. Hi, I'm Urvashi. My blog is TwoSleevers.com, and this is part of my Keto in 30 Minutes cooking series. Let's make up the sauce. I have half a cup of mayo in here. To that, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of low sugar ketchup because we're doing keto. If you're not doing keto, don't worry about it. Have whatever kind of ketchup you want. We are gonna add a tablespoon or so of hot sauce, a couple tablespoons of onions into it, and I'm gonna mix it. I have some paprika, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna add it or not. We're gonna look at the color and decide. I might put a little bit for color. Meanwhile, I have my oven at 375. So before you start, turn on your oven to 375. Let's bring our container back here. And now we're gonna start layering. So we're gonna take thinly sliced pastrami and corned beef, basically. Next thing I'm gonna do is I have some sauerkraut. And I'm just gonna use my clean hands. It's the best way to do it. Take some sauerkraut and spread it around. We are going to add caraway seeds. Now, if you were having a proper Reuben on rye, the rye would have caraway seeds. We don't have bread. We're not going to care. All the flavor is in the meat. So I'm going to take and sprinkle some rye. Now, sometimes sauerkraut will come with rye. If yours does, adjust accordingly. But if not, just sprinkle it lovingly over here so that you have the flavor of it. Now, we're going to take our sauce and spread it about. Top it with a little bit. The only reason I'm doing this is I don't want the sauce and the cheese to get all kind of messy. So this will keep it a little bit clean. I'm going to add my cheese slices. This is Swiss cheese, which is traditional. You can use whatever you want. But you need some kind of melting cheese though. So like don't, and I wouldn't use blue cheese or something ridiculous. I think I'm going to use about 6 ounces of cheese here. So I have a pound of this, the meat. And I'm using about 6 to 8 ounces of cheese. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in the oven, 375 for about 15-18 minutes. You're just going to have to cut slices out of it. Oh my God, that cheese is crispy and crunchy. So you are going to have a little bit extra liquid in here. It's from all of the sauerkraut draining and the cream and whatnot. I wouldn't worry about it. I would just look at this, and this is going to be absolutely delicious, I can tell. Yep. A hot Reuben should taste like this. And because I have no bread, A, it's keto, and B, I get all the flavor.